Hey guys, welcome back from another video from TDL DIY. So today we're going to be talking about changing or looking at the engine air filter behind me on this 2006 Honda Civic. So one thing I want to talk about real quick before we jump into it is the importance of keeping a maintenance log. For example, what I got right here, kind of zoom in a bit. Right here is basically a maintenance log of things you've done or things you've changed. It's a good thing to write the date you've done it, the kilometers, what you did, and for example the next oil change, or in 20,000 kilometers change air filter or whatnot, or take a look at it. So I think that's it's very important to have as a DIYer doing home maintenance, to keep that kind of record. So if you do sell it, I mean, writing on paper doesn't mean a whole lot to some people. They want actual, like, hey, you took it to a shop and you have everything. But if you keep all your receipts and everything to prove that you did buy those items and you wrote the dates down to say, hey, you did change it on these days, and the set kilometers and everything, that goes a long ways. Like, it really shows, even though you didn't take it to a dealer and have that official receipt, that you took the time to care for your car, and you have a somewhat of a record of what you did with it. And that's super important, guys. And it's good for you, so that you know when the next time you got to change it. Or you can look back and be like, hey, I think I got to change this, this, and this, but oh shit, I already did two of those things, and I'll just do the third one. So it's super important, guys. But yeah, we're gonna show you how to change the, or at least look at the airbox. So right here we got 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're just gonna pull this up out of the way. Actually, this one looks pretty clean. I have a new one to put in it, but this one looks pretty good so far. Let's just kind of set that down. Let's get that out of the way. There we go. So we're gonna just take a look at it. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I did look at my maintenance schedule, and it said the last time it was changed, I'll show you real quick. Engine air filter, April 9, 2017. And I don't see that it's been changed again. So that's been a couple of years, almost 2 years now. I know my parent-in-law, this is my mother-in-law's car and father-in-law's car. I know they don't drive a whole lot, so that's probably why it looks the way it does. And you know, the kilometers in almost 2 years is only about 10,000 kilometers or so. So you know, this is good. This has got much more life left in it. So I'll put that back, but that's how you change it out, guys. And you just put the new one in, as you'd see. And now we're just gonna put everything back together. So the trick with this, I don't know if you guys can see. So here's a bit of a flex hose that goes in. So you want to get that in there. Get that seated in there. Push it right back so all your clips align. See, all your clips align now. And just pull up on the clip. Sorry for the change in light, guys, but it's super bright outside. And then get your 4th one. And there we go. And that's all there is to it, guys. It's very simple. That's all there is. So if you like my videos, feel free to subscribe, hit that share and hit that thumbs up. Don't forget, you can always hit that bell for any notifications on new videos that I post whenever they come out. I usually do a new video every Saturday and sometimes on Wednesdays. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.